I'm Martin Andrews. I'm the factor for Wemyss and March Estate, which is a 45,000 acre estate. And here we are hill farming and we have a grouse moor. We have about 12,000 acres of peat bog on the estate here, and we've so far restored 550 hectares of that. Much of the peat bog that we have is actually in quite good condition, so not all of it needs restoration. The aspirations for the estate is to have all of our peatland in good condition and thereafter manage it in good condition. So that's the challenge, and that's what we're hoping to do.
So we started work on this site in October 2022 and due to finish January 23. It can be several months of work, and we also do, phased projects over several years, so landowners can apply to have funding done over multiple funding years. So it just depends on the scale of the site and the scale of the damage, I suppose, that needs to be repaired.
Well, the techniques that the contractors have been using here have been to reprofile exposed peat hags, so just taking off steep slopes, making the angles more gentle, returfing them, blocking hill drains with peat dams to hold water. That's been the main thrust of it.
We look at being able to restore a peat bog from within the bog. So here, virtually all the features have been restored by just using a digger and turfs. The carbon cost of that is minimal, and the restoration of it is generally outstanding.
The way we can help landowners are throughout the whole peatland restoration process, really. So we can start with the initial peat depth and peat condition surveys, hydrological surveys as well, supporting them with funding applications, lining up contractors to do the work, and also help them throughout the delivery of works on the ground as well.
The issues for an estate like ours in terms of the project is managing the cash flow, because you pay the contractors up front and then reclaim the grant thereafter. Fortunately, the grant flow from NatureScot is very quick, and therefore the cash management issue is not a major problem, but it's something you've got to factor in.
If we're going to start hitting the targets that the Scottish Government have got, we're going to have to roll out more restoration, but you've got to keep the quality. And so that, we've got to be improving that quality and improving our techniques going forward to be able to meet the challenges that we're going to get with climate change.
It is a job where it is, you get a lot out of it. It's a good feeling, you're doing it, and you're saving the planet essentially as well. So you're proud of it, yeah.